Oh my gosh. Look at my daylily. Um, I wish that I had taken video when we walked out here so you
Yeah.
could have seen Ambrose's face.
So,
Um, Explain to them.
so we just planted this bed and we did a YouTube video on it, and we thought we knew what daylilies were going in here. So you know that meme from The Office of Michael saying no, no, no. I came outside and I looked this way, and that was the thought in my head because this is supposed to be Tiger Swirl,
It's
not
not Tiger Swirl.
not Rainbow Rhythm Sound of My Heart, and we split it in three. So there's three here now.
Oh
It's
my.
not what we expected at all.
So we should do like a video on like you should really tag up all your plants on a move, which
Yes.
we did, but it was through the whole winter and I don't know, the tags just came off.
Yeah.
We lost them.
So the good news is there's multiple Rainbow Rhythm Sound of My Hearts everywhere now.
I'm not mad at it.
I'm not either.
I'm not mad at it because this one is one of my favorites. Oh, I was not expecting to see it in bloom right now at all. But it's still looking beautiful because look, there is, oh, what's the name of that salvia?
Blue suede shoes.
Yeah, rockin' blue suede shoes just looks beautiful with this right here, with this gorgeous daylily. Look at her. She's so pretty. I still think she'll go with it, the whole mix, but later on we'll go ahead and move them.
Yeah.
And put, the ones we really wanted, Tiger Swirl. But for now, we're just gonna enjoy. Oh my goodness. But I really wish I would have shown y'all Ambrose's face. It was just hilarious.
I panicked for a minute because I was like, oh my God, what did we do? I'm not mad though. I mean, I'm excited to see a daylily actually open. So I'm not mad. I was like, oh man. I mean, the colors kind of still go if you think about it.
Yeah. Yeah, so we did a video with, planting this one. This is actually, this bed right here is her latest video. So if you didn't get to see it, go ahead and go visit us on YouTube, Garden Obsessions. That's the name of her channel. And you will see us putting it together and who is who, so you can kind of get an idea of who we planted and what's going to happen here. It's going to be a big, big pop of color for sure. Yep. Very exciting little area that we planted up. Moss. All right, y'all. Oh yeah, the moss balls.
This moss falls from this tree all the time.
That tree right here has a lot of moss. All right, y'all. Beautiful surprises like always that the garden gives and just makes us laugh. And just about everything. We have a great time out in the garden, and we hope that you guys have a great day out in your gardens today as well on this beautiful Saturday. Yep. We are having a rainy day. So we're just going to come out here and enjoy it today and do a little bit of indoor gardening as well, I think, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So we'll see y'all later. Have a great one.